Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI.
As you can see, here is my Stansport EasyGo. This is one place I want privacy, so I created my little room with a smaller tent for camping, and I can arrange my little room for comfort. I have done a lot of traveling and a lot of camping, and I discovered this wonderful camping toilet. This is really lightweight and easy to set up, and the removable bowl locks into place. I install the little plastic bag, and then I add sawdust, and I don't have to worry about the odor. Sometimes when I am traveling, there is no place to stop, so it's just easy to quickly pull out the Stansport and in a jiffy have everything set up and private.
And that's my point of view.